নমস্কার দর্শক বন্ধুরা, বিয়ন্ড স্পোর্টসে স্বাগত। আগামীকাল ডুরান্ড কাপের সেমিফাইনালে নামছে মোহনবাগান, প্রতিপক্ষ বেঙ্গালুরু এফসি। তার আগে আজ সাংবাদিক সম্মেলনে মুখোমুখি হয়েছিলেন মোহনবাগান কোচ মলিনা। তিনি যেটা জানালেন যে প্রস্তুতি করার সময় যদিও কম, তবে তারা প্রস্তুত দল নিয়ে এবং ম্যাকলারেন এবং আশিক কুরুনিয়ান এবং ধীরাজ ছাড়া কিন্তু বাকি সবাই ফুটবলারই অ্যাভেলেবেল আছে। তবে প্রথম একাদশ কীরকম হবে সেই নিয়ে কিন্তু ধোঁয়াশা তিনি বজায় রাখলেন এবং বললেন যে ফুটবলাররা এখনও, বিদেশি ফুটবলাররা বিশেষ করে বা বাকি ভারতীয় বেশ কিছু ফুটবলাররাও কিন্তু এখনও পুরোপুরি 90 মিনিট খেলার জন্য তারা এখনও তৈরি নয়। গেম এখনও মাত্র 4 সপ্তাহের প্রি সিজনের মতন তারা করতে পেরেছে। এটা 6 সপ্তাহ প্রয়োজন পুরোপুরি 90 মিনিট খেলার জন্য তৈরি হতে। সেই প্রস্তুতি এখনও তাদের হয়ে ওঠেনি। ডুরান্ড কাপ তাদের কাছে প্রস্তুতি, তবে তাই জন্যই তারা ঘুরিয়ে ফিরিয়ে ফুটবলারদের দেখবেন, এটা কিন্তু আকারে ইঙ্গিতে বুঝিয়েই দিলেন। তবে 25 জন ফুটবলারকেই তিনি সমান গুরুত্ব দিতে চান এবং তাদেরকেই ঘুরিয়ে ফিরিয়ে দেখে নেবেন সারা মৌসুম এর আসল পাঠ শুরু হওয়ার আগে, এটা কিন্তু বলেই দিলেন তিনি। আর বেঙ্গালুরু এফসিকে সমীহ হলেও আলাদা করে কোনো ফুটবলারকে গুরুত্ব দিতে যে তিনি রাজি নন, সেটাও জানিয়ে দিলেন মোহনবাগান কোচ মলিনা। কী বললেন সাংবাদিক সম্মেলনে, চলুন শুনে নেওয়া যাক।
I think we are preparing not too much days between the two matches, Punjab match and this one, but we are trying to recover the players and to be prepared in the best way possible for tomorrow match. And well, I think we are okay. Almost all the players available for tomorrow match. Then well, expecting to have a good match. No, I don't agree with you. Sorry. To me, I think, in my opinion, you say that because we scored 3 goals and we suffered 3 goals, but that is to score goals is not only for the strikers. Every player has to work to make easier the job for the strikers to score, right? And to defend, all the teams have to defend to make the defenders and goalkeeper work easier, trying to don't suffer goals, right? Then, to me, is the whole team has to work hard to score goals and has to I don't know what it is. The whole team has to work hard to score goals and has to work hard to don't receive goals, right? Then we work as a team, not all strikers for one way, defenders another way, different way, No. We are a team. We want to work together as a team. And if something happens good, it's because the team, the whole team. If something happens wrong, is because the whole team, and overall is because the coach. Then we are working hard to score more goals and to receive less goals. Well, the team has to be prepared for everything, and we are trying to prepare the team for everything and prepare the players for everything. We always think in to work hard to win the match in 90 minutes. Is what is our goal, right? If we have to go to the penalty kicks like last match, okay, we have to be prepared, and we prepare that. But the goal is to win the match during the 90 minutes.
Joy.
Very well. Tomorrow is semi-final. Okay, Bengaluru is a great team with great players, but tomorrow is semi-final. If we win tomorrow, we have to play the final, and we will try to win another team, very good team, with very good players too. If we win tomorrow, we will not receive the trophy, right? Then it's not the final; it's the semi-final. And about the players, I understand your question, but I always say, to me, I don't see. Okay, when I prepare when I prepare the matches, I have to watch all the players of the opponent of the rival, okay, of the opponent. But I don't prepare for one specific or two specific players because they are really good. Okay, I prepare for the whole team. Mohun Bagan playing against Bengaluru, not 7 players from national team against 6 players from national team. You know, that's not the case for me. The injuries, they are not available for tomorrow. If you want any more update, you have to talk with the doctor because I'm not a doctor. You know, they are not available for tomorrow. Jamie and Ashik still not available, but I can tell you nothing more because I know what is happening with them. You know, but I'm not a doctor. If you need any additional information, you have to talk with the doctor. Sorry. You mean? If we are going to have chances, you will see tomorrow. You know, I can tell you now the lineup. You know, but I always say the same, and I told the players, I don't want a team playing with one first 11 is always the same. You know, it has to be always the same. Okay, will be always the same. But what I want is 25, 26 players working here every day, trying to be prepared to defend Mohun Bagan, to work hard in every match. All of them are available, and all of them can play any match. And that will be a great team. Not only 11 players available for the match. I would say, you know, I don't know if I'm explaining it well. You can understand my. For me, Vishal is a great goalkeeper. You know, but it's not by decision which players go to national team. It's Manolo decision, you know, and I have to respect the decision. Okay, I'm absolutely happy with Vishal. He's great goalkeeper. He's training really well. He's playing really well, and I hope and I expect he can change Manolo decision and return to the national team in any moment. A pleasure to play in front of them, and I'm sure they will help us from the stands to work harder and to work better, and we will help. They will help us to achieve the objective.